Passive income streams. 8 passive income ideas for financial freedom in 2022. Most of the wealthiest people in the world continue to grow their money with passive income methods. If you're wondering how to begin or what passive income stream you want to start next, this is the video for you. What is passive income? It's important to stop and discuss the meaning of passive income as used in this article. The phrase passive income is a concept that can be misunderstood. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, though some individuals treat it as such. Passive income is the ability to work less while maximizing returns. Effort decreases over time while profits elevate. Creating an income flow for the future, one that you don't have to worry about in the present, is considered passive income. How do I build passive income? Building passive income is not as easy as doing a couple of things and hoping to magically get rich overnight. By being patient, thinking about your choices, and taking small steps, you begin to see passive income. Don't be fooled though, all passive income will have a significant time investment and it will require you to think critically. 8 passive income ideas for 2022. Investments. By investing, you're working on setting up your own personal passive income stream. Here's a simple explanation on how the stock market can work for you. When the market drops and you purchase more shares or stocks, you're buying a candy bar at a lower price. When the prices rise, you make a bigger gain because you sold the candy bar for more than you bought it for. This is a profit and the goal of all investments in the long term. Investments can feed and grow themselves if they're good investments. If investments are made regularly, dividends can be used to reinvest to create a larger dividend for the subsequent returns. By buying stocks that pay dividends, you'll be setting up a continuous cycle of passive income that grows steadily over time. If you want to make passive income from your investments, you'll want to invest in stocks or shares that pay dividends. Dividends are essentially a business entity paying you interest for investing in it. The company makes a profit and then shares it with its shareholders. The payout of dividends increases as your share increases. The bigger share of the company you own, the bigger dividends you'll yield, if the business does well. Investments can feel big and confusing for the beginner, but investing apps make it as easy as investing your spare change when you spend. Beginners can start learning about the stock market and other investments while investing small, which reduces the risk that beginners take on at the beginning of their investment journey. Traditional investments would also be appropriate here. Think IRA or Roth IRA. Cryptocurrency. Modern and stylish investments include the new world of cryptocurrency. There are stable coins on cryptocurrency wallets that pay out a high interest rate. Some of these stable coins pay out as much as 9% interest on your money. This is higher than traditional bank accounts and a great option for long-term savings to grow money and create passive income. Cryptocurrency has seen an increase in investors buying land and digital art pieces. If you think it's something you could profit from later, you could try to invest in some collectible or land. You can even rent out digital land to other companies, which would be a passive income stream. All cryptocurrency features are being updated and released every day, so it's still a new passive income stream. The base ideas like interest on savings accounts and renting out land are proven income streams, but they're not as trusted as others due to their bullish nature. Open a business. There are many online platforms that allow you to open a store, stock it with products you may not even have, and sell them online to other customers. The products you sell in your store could be physical, digital downloads, or entirely digital. It could be a drop shopping store, a flower shop, or a vending machine business. Your business could one day run itself, given that you had an evergreen product and had the capacity to hire work out to others. Be your own boss. One way you can work in your own time, for you, is to create something that you can sell again and again. A product like this is called an evergreen product, a product that pays each time it's processed at checkout. Write a book. If you were to author and publish a book, the sales from a book will pay royalties, or they'll pay you directly if you're self-published. Royalties for paper-printed books are about 10 to 20%, with digital books making royalties of up to 15 to 25%. Create an online class. Take your experiences, teach others in a class, and make passive income from that video for the duration of the life of the video. If the content is evergreen, you could make passive income from them for the rest of your life. You could put courses on your website or add them to a host website. Either way, you're a click away from getting paid. Design. It's possible for you to get design stickers, t-shirts and other products and make a passive income off your designs. You can sell the product to a client or a business, create your own business, or you can sell the design to receive passive income through royalties. Make your hobby a side hustle. If you're making a hobby a side hustle, you're not necessarily taking an extra job if you would have been doing the hobby anyway. The idea here would be to monetize the hobby. If you love dogs, pet sit. Pet sitting and dog walking is a side hustle you can fit into your schedule. You get to spend time with dogs and you get paid. If you love kids, babysit. If you have the free time, the space, the patience, try babysitting. Being around kids is a great experience, and you could even make money from taking care and playing with them. If you love any of the arts, paint, digital, or even performing, sell your art. If you love theatre, make videos on it, teach the subject, and make money from it. See if your local art commission would work with you on teaching classes locally. You could sell your art locally in museums, teach others how to do it, and enjoy what you do. If you love thrift shopping, consider flipping the items for profit. You could buy, upload to a website, and when it sells, you send it out. It's not something you would have to actively check on or work on. If you love to write a blog about what you love to do. If people like your content and you get a following, you could get sponsorship and start generating income. If you love watching YouTube, you love editing videos or talking about a specific subject, a YouTube video could be a potential revenue stream for you. After 4,000 hours of watch time on your channel, you'll start getting paid on YouTube. If your content is evergreen, people will continue to watch your videos for years to come, creating a passive income stream.